Hey guys, Alex here from Seagull Boats, and today I'm hyped because I get to show you the all-new FishSUP 1210. The new FishSUP 1210 is truly a one-of-a-kind fishing platform. With the various packages and accessory mounts, you can customize this paddleboard exactly how you want it. Go with our startup package and get a bare-bones paddleboard that you can accessorize over time. Or go all out and fully load it with an electric motor, side pontoons, lean bar, and bow-mounted trolling motor. Now, let's talk about specs. At 12 foot 10 inches long and 3 foot 4 inches wide, this thing is stable. If there is one thing you want in a fishing platform, it's stability, especially when you're landing that trophy fish. The honeycomb pattern at the bow and the stern, and the stripes running across the deck pad make this one good-looking board. We made this a dual air chamber board for redundancy and safety, with up to 4 chambers with the added side pontoons. This model has a deep transom and beefed up transom mount for up to a 3 horsepower motor. Working our way forward, the optional landing wheels are a game changer for portability. Easily snap them out of the way after you launch. Keep an open deck layout for recreation, or add the available side pontoons to create a fishing cockpit with plenty of spots to add accessories. Sea Eagle's new lean bar is the perfect addition to this board, offering huge support when standing up and fishing or motoring. Add an anchor lock so you can quickly anchor yourself in place, or add the optional bow trolling motor mount if you want to go all out with a spot lock motor. This board is paired perfectly with the Bixby Pro Motor Kit, e-Propulsion E-Lite, or up to a 3 horsepower gas motor. Or at just 47 pound hull weight, it's a breeze to just paddle around. Thanks for letting me show you guys our all-new FishSUP 1210. Hopefully, next video, I'll do a vlog style video and put a fish on this nice new paddleboard. So make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments, message us, and we're happy to answer. But otherwise, stay tuned for the next video. It's going to be a fun one. Thanks, guys.